We are Aussie couple Hawaii. Thank you for watching our video. We have a lot, and I mean a lot more to come. So stay tuned, and after this we'll also be posting a hotel walk around video, and at the end of this video there is also pricing, etc. Thank you.
So we've just arrived in Hawaii, Honolulu. We're at the Shoreline Waikiki Hotel. Come check out our room. The whole hotel is very bright and fun. We'll do a tour of the lobby at a later date, but the rooms are so bright. Not the biggest, but
It's a lot more compact than what we've definitely stayed in.
Has everything you need. Has a mini bar, complimentary snacks. You have, you know, your port chargers.
You got your TV, lamp, a funky lamp. I don't even know how that one switches on.
2 double beds, phone, alarm clock.
You got your air conditioning on the wall, and then we've got your cupboard, which is old school, with your iron. Sorry about our luggage that's in here as well. You've got your safe. At least they give you 2 of these baggage stands.
Yeah.
Even the big hotels only ever have 1. But yeah, you've got your couch, funky couch. Like I said, lamp, your desk.
You have a balcony.
It's not the biggest. It's got 1 chair, but we'll probably drag a chair out. Same thing, no beach views from here, but you get what you pay for. We got this pretty cheap online, so we thought we'd stay somewhere different for the first few days, take it in. Smack bang in the middle of Waikiki, literally opposite Ross's. So fast it was kind of like we stayed at Beachcomber a lot, so it was just to come and try something different, completely different, just to give us that different feel, you could say. So we'll also go do the bathroom, but as you can see they got the Hawaiian Islands on the wall. But yeah, we'll move into the bathroom and we'll do that next. At least it's got a full-size mirror, which most of them never have.
I'll let you go in here.
It's very
a little compact.
Typical shower curtain. We've got big mirror. Bath, which I hate, but I mean it's good for people if you got kids. I just hate bath showers. But at least it's got everything, comes with all your amenities, which is a bonus. Lotions. Hand soap. It's kind of like, it kind of makes me feel like an old school grandparents' crib.
Yeah.
Like bits like this. But I mean it's clean, it's tidy, it was cheap, and it's something completely different. So we'll also throw the lobby in on this as well. And yeah, any questions, ask away. We'll see how we go. I might add after what our stay was like, because we literally just walked in the door and wanted to film before we make a mess. So yeah, that's it from us, and
Keep watching so you can see the lobby.
so the hotel is located at 342 Seaside Avenue, Waikiki. We got the 2-bed room, and also available is a single queen, single king, and a king bed suite. We did get offered an upgrade to the king, but it was no good to us because we had our son. The beds are tiny. I'm 6'2", well over 6'2", and hung off the end. Here's a picture of the king suite. We paid $211 a night American, $30 a night plus tax, which was 17.9%. Check-in is at 3 p.m. and check-out 11 a.m. So please keep your eyes open for more. We have a lot more to come, including a full hotel walk around.